second lap bash race. All right, they're coming into 3. We're going to do it again. Yeah, they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's going to be Clossy to claim the early lead. Matt Clossy in the 16C car, followed by Timmy Stewart, followed by the 140 of Rich Bull.
And trying to sneak in there is Braxton Franks and that 8F machine, but things got close along the stretch here.
Good driving by the 8F and the 99 and the 87 that time. Almost got ugly.
Lousy your leader. Stewart in second, Bull in third, Franks in fourth. Top 2 advance.
So right now it's Clossy and Stewart trying to pull away from everybody. But the 8F car, Braxton Franks, starting to set his sights on the 140 of Rich Bull. We've got asphalt and dirt drivers in this race.
Clossy in that 16 machine, still holding pace over Stewart in the 18. Here comes Bull in that 140. Braxton Franks in that 8F trying to hold pace.
And here comes Rich Bull starting to gain some ground on Timmy Stewart. As the 92 car of Ted D is off the pace and he's going in the pits.
They'll put 2 down. 8 left, top 2 qualified. Clossy in that 16. Still has a nice little gap ahead of the 18 of Stewart.
Such interesting style of cars out here. That 166 looks like a Roadrunner, yet it's running like a late model. But Clossy's bringing them around here. We've got 6 to go next time by. Or this time by, we've got 6 to go. So Clossy, Stewart, Bull, Franks, and Justin P. rounding out your top 5.
Clossy is about a half-second lead over the 18 of Timmy Stewart. Bull trying to make some pace in that 140. Can he catch the 18 of Timmy Stewart?
Boyd is starting to look on the inside of Braxton Franks. Trying to make a run and grab that 4 spot, but only the top 2 are going to the feature tomorrow. 3 to go for Matthew Clossy.
Stewart now trying to hang on over Rich Bull. As that battle for that second spot gets a little tighter.
Two to go next time by. Excuse me, 1 to go next time by for Matthew Clossy. White flag is out. Top 2 are going on. Right now, Timmy Stewart sitting on the bubble. Rich Bull in that 140 would love to catch him. I don't know, we're single file. Here comes Rich Bull to do his best he could. He ain't gonna do it. It's Clossy, Stewart, Bull, Franks, Poynich, Walls, and Ansel will be here. How about that? So our